Oh my goodness. Who's that baby? Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It is Friday today. I haven't vlogged all week. I know, are you excited? I haven't vlogged all week. Can you even stand his overalls? I can't even handle them. I really can't. You wanna go to Target? We're gonna go to Target, we're gonna go to Starbucks. We got ourselves together today, and by we I mean me. Yeah, all week I was pretty much slumming it and not feeling the best about myself again, and kind of in a more sad mood. So I decided to get myself together, and I'm gonna bring him to Target with me, which is a risk. It's definitely a risk because we don't go many places, as you guys might know. I am the definition of a stay-at-home mom, right? Don't pull mommy's hair. Thank you, it sheds very easily. Did you know that? It does. So I figured we would go to Target together, get some spring things, get some snacks as usual, and just walk around. So, yeah. So here we go, fingers crossed this goes well. I feel like once he turned 1, he turned into a maniac baby and super crabby. So off to Target we go. Did we go crazy? Yeah. Oakley wants to hold on to the paper towels, but we have a full cart of things. A lot of snacks for him, but then also a lot of like desserts and fun new spring items. I don't know if I'll do like a separate video, but this, I've never tried this Alani. This is the Addison Rae Berry Pop. So I kind of wanted to try that. Don't eat it though, right? I'm in the makeup aisle. I don't need any makeup, but he's being so good. No, ew. Yeah. All right, success. We went in Target, got a bunch of groceries and a couple other cleaning supplies. I actually forgot dish soap, so that's kind of annoying. But then I went to Starbucks and got the new drink. So this is the vanilla shaken espresso with oat milk, and then I got sweet cream cold foam on top. This was $6 and change, but I had stars, so I just used 150 of my stars. So let's try this. Everyone's saying it's really good. My camera just tumbled. Let's try this. This is really good. I would give this 10 out of 10. This is yummy. Expensive, but really yummy. All right, we're back home. Hi, Puffin. Back home, I wanted to show you guys what we picked up. So, got paper towels because we desperately needed paper towels. I have these. Oakley's currently eating one of these right now. It is the Plum Organics Mighty Snack Bars in Blueberry. Also got yogurt melts. More yogurt melts. We got cookies. Your favorite. Oh my god, he knows the word. Okay, I won't say it again because he gets too excited for those. I also got myself cookies. So circus animal cookies. Yum, yum, yum. He hasn't had this in a couple of weeks, so the Kid Fresh Wagon Wheels mac and cheese, which I might make him that for lunch before his nap. Then we have this. This is the Alani Berry Pop. I already said this in Target, but I haven't tried this one. That's the Addison Rae one. Finally found some Uncrustables because, like I said, there's like a shortage of Uncrustables. So I got a big pack of that. More yogurt bites. Okay, I thought this would be fun to try in like a taste test video. This is the Peeps Strawberry dipped in milk chocolate. I don't normally like Peeps, like I think they're really gross, but maybe chocolate and strawberry, I don't know. More yogurt bites. We got some puffs, kale and spinach. Okay, these looked really good. Another taste test. Strawberry shortcake milk cookies. Also for the taste test, Bunny Graham's Neapolitan. I thought that these would be fun to make with Oakley for spring chick cupcake kit. More yogurt bites. Taste test of blueberries and cream Lindor and Neapolitan. Don't those look so good? And then we have teethers, pea and spinach. Couple pouches. He mainly eats just like our food, so I just got these just to get him. Pasta with tomato and white bean. More yogurt bites. Diapers and kitchen spray. Spearmint and orange. I'm gonna try and clean when he takes a nap. I also sized up on the diapers just to see if that would make any difference. I got these Boogie Hands antibacterial hand wipes because I've never tried them and I feel like everyone has them and I'm like, what am I doing? Also got some applesauce. This is apple carrot and apple spinach for him. I got sweet potato and banana. I had to get new razors. I was using the same razors for literally forever. So got those and more bars for him. So strawberry and then sweet potato and carrot. Is that all I got? Yes. Okay, so that is my haul from Target. I mainly just got snacks and food for Oakley, but definitely excited about the kitchen spray, and I forgot dish soap, but it is what it is. I can finally fill up his little snack bin. So just gonna put all the bars that I got in here, and then the pouches. I don't think all the yogurt bites, because I went in on the yogurt bites. These, sadly, they won't last. They won't last longer than a week because he eats a lot of them. But maybe I can try to fit all of them in here. We'll see. Is that all I got? No. Good morning. It is Sunday. We are headed to breakfast. We saw Brett and Megan last night. We finally exchanged gifts with the kids. Christmas gifts with the kids. And now I want to show you guys what we got in the mail from Try Treats. I'll link them down below. I talked about them last month and they gave me a 15% off coupon, which I'll also put down below. But it's trying different desserts, snacks, treats from different countries. So this month is South Korea.
And last month?
Russia. So let me show you what's inside the box. I think it's so cool trying out different foods from different countries because I feel like I've discovered, I said this in my last video, but I feel like I've discovered some of the best chocolate from different countries. Because like I said, Australia chocolate, freaking delicious. Those Tim Tams, they actually sell them at Target, but they're so good. So it has some facts about Korea, and then welcome to South Korea, and then a bunch of things, and it says everything that's in here. Okay, fun fact, not a fun fact, but we already tried these because
There's 2 boxes? Oh man.
No, there's only one. These Xoxo biscuits, these are so good. They're like little mini cookies and they have chocolate cream on the inside, but they are delicious. So, already tried that. This I'm kind of interested in. This is the custard cream cake. Who is jogging in this weather right now? This is interesting to me.
That's interesting.
So,
I got gum.
I don't have gum. Cream custard cake.
You have a bite.
It's very odd because it almost looks like sweetbread with like egg in the middle, but it is not. It's a actual like.
I thought it tasted good until I saw that.
Doesn't it look like egg?
Yeah.
Well, it's not.
It tastes good though.
It does taste good. Let's try this. These windy roads are killing me.
Me too, because I'm trying to do 2 things at once.
These are cookies. Little biscuit treats. It looks like a Ritz cracker with little, I don't know what this is. Oh, it tastes like a sesame seed.
Yep. Was it good?
kind of a mess doing it in the car, but it is what it is. This one is a luxurious chocolate treat. Soft and moist chocolatey sponge cake with premium chocolate coating on the outside and cream filling on the inside.
Oh.
Yes, please. Did we try this already? No, I don't know. This one looks like a big...
Is that the marshmallow?
I think so, but I think this one's yummy.
Is it the same thing? No, I don't like it.
No, it's good. No, it's good. No, this one's good.
It's good.
Okay. Let's just do a couple more because we'll never be able to eat breakfast. I won't open this, but something tells me that these are pretty good because I've had these kind of like chocolate sticks before where it's like on that graham stick with a chocolate coating. These butter coconut sweet biscuits. This will be the last one we try. I ate almost every single thing in the last box.
What's that green?
This looks like seaweed.
Oof.
You want to try some seaweed? It's so light that it has to be seaweed.
I've tried seaweed and not a fan.
Ooh, this is like a glaze.
What do you mean?
Little tea biscuits. Butter coconut.
Those are good too.
I don't really taste the coconut, but it is
So are
good.
these things that they like eat all the time as snacks?
I think so. I think it's like their most popular chocolates and treats and whatnot. Yeah. So I will link them down below, but it's just cool to try out different snacks from different countries, like I've said.
They must have like all the traditional stuff too, like Snickers and Twix and stuff.
I don't know. I'm not sure. They might not. I'm pretty sure, I think I've seen people trying like different snacks from like the United States and being like, oh, I've never tried a Reese's. Or I've never tried a Kit Kat, so I'm not sure. Okay, I parked because we're a little bit early to breakfast. We gotta try this seaweed, babe. It might be the best thing you've ever had.
No,
You have to.
I'm all set. There's no way. Just give me the sheet. Give me it.
Smell it.
No. It's a no for me, dog.
Babe, just try it. I think these are actually really popular. The Margaret cookie.
Oh. Oh, no. Oh. I can't.
You have to eat it.
This is the texture of an overcooked egg white on the side of the pan.
An egg chip?
Yeah, like crystallizes on the side of the pan and you gotta scrape it off. And then it tastes like, doesn't taste like seaweed, it tastes like pumpkin seed to me almost.
That doesn't sound bad. Here, try this. This is better. That's a Margaret cookie.
Margaret.
It says it has French butter and peanut filling. I don't taste peanut. It has vitamin B, iron, niacin, fiber. Treat for the whole family. Oops, I just ate it all ugly.
How is that a treat for the whole family? It was bite-sized.
I have no idea. That was actually pretty yummy though. I think that's all, unless, did I already open this one? Yeah.
Those are crackers? Yeah.
And that's it.
Alright.
These were definitely my favorite.
Yeah, those are good.
I know, you're telling me. Alright, we just got a package in the mail from Walmart. It's Sunday. It's a lazy day. Oakley's playing with a gallon of... Alright, let's open this. I love ordering from Walmart because I don't like going to Walmart. But the shipping is, I know, the shipping is super fast. So, had to stock up on the coffee, per usual. Thank God, because I've been having Scott's and it's been awful. And then I got 2 of the Premier chocolate peanut butter shakes. So each one of these comes with 12. So I have 24. 12 for Scott, 12 for me. I know. I gotta put these in the fridge so they're nice and chilled. You're telling me. And then the last thing I got is, I wonder if this is gonna be yummy. Scott went to the grocery store right now to get groceries for the week, but oatmeal cookie walnut butter. Have you even heard of this? I haven't. But I feel like it sounds like it would be really good. Especially, yeah, Dad does at the store. Especially on a cinnamon raisin bagel. I want to smell it. Oakley has a doctor's appointment tomorrow. His 1-year appointment. Oh God. We're gonna tell him. They turn 1 and then they turn crazy. I need a knife. 1 year old and then, whoa, what happened? Ooh, okay. It's a little more liquidy than I thought. Yeah. Yes, honey. Okay. This is good. It's not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be. It's more like grainy, but it tastes like an oatmeal cookie. I like it. Oh my goodness, we can't see ourselves. What's been going on? What's been going on since you turned 1? What's been going on? He just wants to like explore everything, which is fine, but doesn't want to be in this big old playpen at all. I wouldn't want to be in there either, to be honest. But he just gets into trouble, right? And he hit his head yesterday on the table at Brett and Megan's. He really bonked it. And he has a bruise in between his eyebrows, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, I hurt myself, but I hurt myself daily. I'm okay. I'm pretty strong. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna end my vlog here actually so I can edit it today because tomorrow, which is Monday, he has his doctor's appointment. And I think that will probably take up most of the day. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And I know. And we'll see you all on Thursday. Or actually, maybe Wednesday. We'll see. Wednesday or Thursday. Okay.